Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you a marketer wondering which digital marketing course is best for beginners? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. You have to stick around to the very end of this video because I have an exciting gift for you. But before that, who am I? I am the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so they can finally fire that boss and spend more quality time with their children. Because back in 2019, I was that busy mom working very, very hard. I was overwhelmed. I was frustrated. I was confused. And I just wanted to spend more time with my family. And I decided to invest the time in learning the skills to build a business online. Okay. So I came across 2 months ago, I came across this amazing program, which actually teaches beginners like you how to start a successful business online, digital business online, without having any technical skills, without having a following, and without having any experience. So if that's you, if you're a busy mom and you're not tech savvy, you don't have much time on your hand, no experience, then you're in the right place at the right time. So the best course that you should get is one that's not just going to deliver the course for you, to you, and then you can access it through a membership site, download it whatever way, and then it's up to you to just consume that content on your own, right? Because how many courses have we bought in the past? How many courses do you have access to are just sitting there? Okay, so that's not the best course. The best course that you can get is one that is interactive, right? That has live interactive coaching and mentorships, right? Because on your journey to building a digital business, sometimes you're gonna be unmotivated. You just won't feel like doing anything. Sometimes you'll be stuck. You need to have ask questions, and sometimes you just need a proven step-by-step blueprint, right? So the best program that I'm going to share with you that covers all these boxes is something that's absolutely changing my life as I speak to you, and it's changing hundreds and hundreds of moms just like you, okay? So let me go ahead and actually share my screen and walk you through this digital marketing course, which is actually great for beginners. It was actually designed by a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren who went from 0 following, 0 skills, 0 experience, 0 email list to go to earning over $1 million in 17 months. So what she did was she put together a proven step-by-step blueprint that anybody can use, including you, to learn the skills, right? So just a quick overview of what that looks like, right? This is, we have different packages you can get in where you fit in. And not only do you get access to this membership site that you can access from your online on a browser, you actually get an app on your phone, right? So you not only are you able to study this course, you actually have the resell rights, right? You buy this program once, you consume it, you learn the skills, you apply the skills, and you can then sell this program and get paid. Get this, 100% commissions paid instantly and directly to you over and over and over again, right? So let me ask you this, would you rather get 50% commission paid through a company, or would you rather get 100% commissions paid instantly and directly to you? Type 100 in the comments if this is you, okay? So this is the first part of the program where you get access to your step-by-step blueprint, right? And I was going to log in, but then I have to log in, so I won't do that anymore. But actually, let me pause the video and log in for you. Okay, so here is just to give you a sneak peek of what the course looks like. I'm not going to go through all of it, but we have 122 lessons where we're taken step by step to learning the skills to build a successful business, okay? And For all you fast action takers, we actually have some bonuses for you. And if you get started by midnight tonight, you actually don't want to show your face, we have what we call your invisible empire, where you learn how to create faceless marketing, faceless content, and that plus this Canva crash course are absolute gold. You get access to how the blueprint that our mentor, our coach went from 1 million to 17, from 0 to 1 million in 17 months, right? And then you learn this 30-day content marketing strategy, where you get ideas of content to create in 30 days to help you generate leads for your business. You get all these bonuses here. But I want to focus on this last bonus, right? You get access to our digital growth community, which is a community of over 38,000 like-minded entrepreneurs who are there to support you, to lift you up, to inspire you, to help you achieve your goals. So I'm going to give you a preview of what that looks like here. This is it here. So I'm just going to close this and go to our members here, okay? So here, I'm just gonna show you, we have 38,560 paid members in this community. We have a calendar here of live coaching and mentorship, right? So every week we get our 7-figure earners come in to teach us what they've done. We can unmute ourselves, ask any questions. But tomorrow we're going to have the CEO of this tool that we can use to build our business faster come in and train us as well. Okay, very, very powerful. So here. Tim Tim was actually fired from corporate America after 25 years of giving everything, sacrificing time with his family, and he started this business and he's made over 6 figures, right? So all our mentorship comes from 6-figure earners who've used this system to earn 6 figures, okay? Classroom, again, this is a bonus site. You get this on your phone as an app as well as from a browser. So we have this 90-day sprint. You know this video I'm creating right now? Every day, our 7-figure mentor sends us a video, right? 5 to 10 minute video. And every day we watch the video, we mark that we've watched that video. And this video here, the YouTube 1000K challenge, she tells us how we're going to start this challenge to get 1,000 followers in the next 30 days. And then she gives us an idea of content to create, right? So what I love about her and this training, she doesn't tell you, create a video saying this. She shows you where to go to find ideas of content that you can create that people are searching for, and then create that content. But wait, there's more, okay? Because remember, we have a community of 38,000 members. She then tells us that once we create that video, we should come back in here and post that video in the comments. That way other members can support our video by watching, liking, and commenting, okay? So this is how we're gonna grow our channel, by helping each other, okay? Very, very powerful. So every day for 90 days, we're on day 60 here, okay? Has day 61, no, it hasn't been released yet. I'm in Ireland, so I'm always ahead. The other things we have, all the mentorship calls that are done, the replays are put here. So what I do with the mentorship, I attend the live and I go to the Zoom, the replay, so I can pause and then take action, okay? We have a content vault of a content that you can download and upload onto your social media channels, right? And then here we have replays. I've never had to use this for tech support calls. And mindset training by a coach that's actually coaches Olympics, even this Paris time that just went, she coached some people there. She coaches celebrities and all that. She comes in here and coaches us. Social media training, again, these are by 6-figure earners who've used the system to share. The ones that have made 6 figures in 6 months, here is where the training is. And so on and so forth, right? This is a bonus section that you get access to, an app on your phone, as well as access to it on the browser. And then here, this person 3 days ago was just sharing how the training that we're going to get from that CEO has helped her build her business. And here she's just sharing, this is a creator, our 7-figure mentor. She's just sharing a day 60 video where I just walked you through. And then the webinar replays, we have access to them. We can upload them onto our YouTube channels and all that, right? But here you can see there's a follow train where we can follow each other on different social media platforms, help us grow. I just want to finish here by just sharing with you some of the wins that we have, right? So Jennifer 8 hours ago said, she was celebrating her husband's 70th birthday with family, and she actually got a $900 ding, right? That helps towards the birthday celebrations, right? She's able to put that money back. Let me see what you're feeling. My website, I'm looking for financials. Judy, 12 hours ago, excited, got a $900 ding. Yeah. Oh yeah, okay? Victoria, 2 days ago, she's actually one of our coaches or mentors. She went from cleaning toilets and minding children just to get enough to start this program. And then she went from that to making $400,000 in 13 months. She actually used that money to build her own house. And she has 3 boys, and her husband's away in the army as well, okay? Kamala, 14 hours ago, she actually said she's earned $25,000. Pinch me, I can't believe I did this in such a short time. Guys, implement what's being taught. This is the best program ever, and I agree, it absolutely is. Zahid, 13 hours ago, $100 ding on a Sunday while spending time with my family. All right, thanks. So this is all about automation, right? Lakeisha, $900 day while hanging lights on my deck. So she's busy doing her thing, and then got $900, right? And then 6 hours ago, Jamie, $43,800 in 5 months. I'm almost halfway through my first goals of 6 figures. In just 5 months, I've earned $43,800. My mind is still blown at this, right? Absolutely. Congratulations, Jamie. Well done. Christy, 6 hours ago, said $12,700 my first month. 1 month ago today, I started with my digital business, right? I'm so glad, right? She's made $12,700. My first day, sale day 11, Austin, 6 hours ago. My wife and I are so pumped, right? And so on and so forth. Dale, 5,400 weekend, 5 hours ago. Hey, y'all, don't ever give up. Stay focused, keep posting, follow the plan. And so on and so forth, right? So the system absolutely works if you work it. It's just like going to a gym, right? You have access to the tools and resources, and it's up to you to make them work. So what I want to do now is give you access to the gift. I promise you, if you click the link in the description, you can claim your free copy of our 10K in 30 days guide. I will send it to your email, so check your email. It's actually an interactive guide, and when I deliver it to you, I'm going to give you access to a free version of our private community where you can see more wins, ask any questions, and respond to my email, right? Let's have a conversation. I want to help you make an informed decision, okay? This is not for everybody. You have to be hungry to change your financial situation, because you know there's people out there who are happy to just be moaning and complaining and not willing to do anything, okay? You got to be coachable. You got to be teachable. You got to be willing to invest the time to learn and the time to apply what you're learning every single day. And you have to be willing to invest time and money and have a device and access to the internet in order for this to work. So if this is you, if you're going, yeah, that's me, then you're in the right place at the right time. I'm here to answer any question that you might have. I'm more than happy to record a video like this, answering your questions and actually sharing my screen as well, okay? So thank you so much for watching to this video to the very end. If you found value, go ahead and smash that like button. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic